back and thanks for joining us again. It's that time in the show where we pick a letter written by our dear viewers and get the experts to address it. Enter your lifestyle guru. And tonight's email is from 36 years old Asra Javed, who is a stay-at-home mum. Asra wants us to recommend a good quality anti-aging cream. Hey Asra, here's your solution.
I'm here to introduce Misha. What makes Misha unique is that it uses state-of-the-art technology as well as essential oils and botanical extracts. Misha has got an amazing new release, hot off the press, which is called Time Revolution Immortal Youth. Wouldn't we all like to turn back time? Well, with Immortal Youth you can. For the first time ever, we have a product that actually extends the longevity of cells. So it's not so much about turning back the clock as it is about keeping our skin as young and beautiful as ever. But what makes Immortal Youth even more different and miles apart from the rest is that it's not just anti-aging, it is a whitening product as well. I will do a quick demonstration for you on the effects of Immortal Youth. I've cleansed and toned the skin already to help prepare the skin for further treatment and to maximize absorption of the product. And what I will use is a very special stone, very exclusive to Immortal Youth. Let me do a quick introduction on the Immortal Youth product by Misha. It comes with a fantastic obsidian stone, which is made from volcanic rock, if you can believe that. Now, what makes volcanic rock special is that it actually holds ions and infrared. So when you use it to massage the face, it actually gives a much deeper action than using your fingertips. So using the obsidian stone, you need to make sure that the swollen part is facing towards the skin. You can start by massaging the temples in a rounded movement.
That helped you, Asra. Do check out Misha products. They're really good. And as usual, we are giving away 3 of these products. Just answer this simple question. Where is Misha from? A. Singapore. B. Japan. C. Korea. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer the simple question. We at High Life Dubai always take pride in bringing to you the achievers and the newsmakers. And next on our list is Dr. Azad Mupin, who has been awarded India's topmost honor for overseas Indians, the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award from the President of India for his valuable contribution in the field of medicine and for promoting the honor and prestige of India overseas. We at High Life Dubai met him for an exclusive interview. DM Healthcare Group owns a chain of 70 clinics and pharmacies across GCC countries. The vision of the group is to establish about 300 healthcare establishments all across Middle East and India with around 10,000 healthcare professionals by year 2015. The chairman of the group, Dr. Mupin, has been in the forefront of many philanthropic and social initiatives in India and abroad. He is the founder chairman of several associations which are involved in educational, charitable and socio-cultural activities. Every successful person has an interesting journey which has brought them where they are today. And we wanted to hear from Dr. Mupin about his.
I came about 25 years back. I came in 1987. My father wanted one of his sons to be a professional, preferably a doctor. And that might have influenced, I think, my decision to take up medicine. But I always wanted to be a medical teacher than somebody who practices or ultimately now does the business of medicine. So what I wanted was actually to be a medical teacher. Now, if you look at the most important thing has been the reach of medical care has increased tremendously. Earlier when I came 25 years back, we were very few postgraduate doctors here in Dubai. But now you have large number of clinics and huge access to healthcare anywhere in the GCC. And also the secondary and tertiary care has improved because new hospitals have come up, government facilities have improved their care, and there has been a significant improvement in the healthcare delivery in the GCC generally.
We also spoke to Dr. Moopen about his company and its achievements.
We started with a small clinic initially, and then we have now large number of clinics in different parts of UAE in the GCC, and pharmacies which value-added services, plus hospitals. So I think over the last 20 years, we have spread vertically as well as horizontally, giving access to people closer to their homes, quality healthcare at affordable cost. We have now nearly 70 establishments in different parts of GCC, most of that being in UAE, which is providing a large network where people can come and utilize our services.
This was an honor well deserved, and it's our pleasure bringing him in the limelight for our viewers tonight.
It's a great recognition, honor by the nation, which increases my responsibility to the country as well as people here. So apart from my contribution, whatever I could do in the area of healthcare, I think another important thing that I did or I am doing still is to make or build bridges between people here and people back home, using our contacts, using the advantage that we are into healthcare coming across large number of local population. So that has been very useful. We were interacting very closely in that area. Plus another thing, we always thought that there has to be in healthcare, apart from business, a philanthropic angle, which looks at people who are really suffering here as well as back home. So we use part of our profit and we look at, taking care of people who can't actually afford it. So these things together might have given us sort of some advantage when compared to others in taking the cause of people forward.
It has been said that the cure for boredom is curiosity, and for curiosity there is no cure. So all you can do is just keep watching us week after week to satisfy your curiosity for all the glamorous events and action that make this city so cool. आज के लिए बस इतना ही, फिर मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते लेकर कुछ नया, कुछ निराला. Thanks for making our Facebook page so active and entertaining. Keep Facebooking and Twittering to get all the cover on what we are up to. If you've missed any of our episodes or would like to see them again, you can always log on to YouTube. Remember that you are never too old to set a new goal or dream a new dream. So keep your dreams alive and believe that you have the power to make them come true. Till we meet next week, this is Uma signing off. We would like to offer our heartfelt condolences and prayers to those who have lost their loved ones on board the ill-fated Air India flight to Mangalore. My team and I pray for lots of strength and courage to those who are grieving. God bless. Tonight's episode has been filmed at Le Méridien Dubai's plush presidential suite, which overlooks the hotel gardens and offers unrivaled luxury, space, decor and amenities. More than 2,000 square feet in area, this suite includes a living room, master bedroom, kitchenette and a beautiful marble bathroom. Situated minutes from the city's renowned shopping and commercial districts, and a stone throw from Dubai International Airport, the 383-room Le Méridien Dubai also boasts meeting and banquet facilities for up to 1,200 guests. The hotel proudly features 4 outdoor temperature-controlled swimming pools, natural element spa, a state-of-the-art gym and tennis court. A big thank you to them for their kind hospitality.